Hi everyone, I warmly welcome you all in my new course for data manipulations with Pandas. This course will help you to get the mastery in data manipulations with Pandas if you are dealing with massive and large scale volume of data sets. As we already know, Microsoft Excel has some limitations, but with the help of Python's library, Pandas, you can be able to transform your large scale data as per your own wish. So without wasting time, let me first of all introduce myself. My name is Asim Numan Lodi. I'm a certified Google Data Analytics professional. I'm also a certified Google Project Management professional, and I also got another credential from Informatica. I'm a certified data governance champion as well. I'm also a certified Google partner, and I am also certified digital marketing professional from Google as well. So what exactly you will be able to get this course? So first of all, I'm going to present you in a very simple words what is data analysis. Then I am going to present with you the Pandas library introductions. What are the operations we are able to perform with the help of Pandas? And then I am going to present you some of the basic steps how you can install the Pandas library. Then we will be able to discuss more in detail about the data manipulations basics. And also we will be able to discuss more in detail about how we can grouping the data and how we can reshaping the data. And after that, we will be able to use the data visualizations with Pandas library, how we are be able to create a different sort of graphs as per on our requirements. And then I am also presenting you the hands-on exercises with real-time data sets, which will be able to get mastery in yourself. And most important thing, I am also providing the technical supports for the students in case they have any query. I warmly welcome them to ask any query without any kind of hesitations, and I will be able to provide them the technical support. So thank you very much for watching this session.